Okay guys, hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here in front of you to give my summary regards to the chapter 1. So let's start. um, Chapter 1 is all about the explore the network. Then its subtopic shows that it is globally connected. Then also the LAN and the description of the internet and the connection. Then also its network platform and the changing network environment. So let's start with globally connected because nowadays, in this era or in this time, we are opponents of network, so that most of us didn't live, or didn't or they can't live without connection, especially internet connection. Then nowadays, internet connection is so important, not only in the students but also at the network user or the device users, because it gives a lot of help in terms of easy access, then giving some kind of resources and information for just simple searching and finding what you want for. Then also globally connected pursue about the providing resources and network. So explanation for the providing resources in a network. Then a network can provide resources accordingly with each generate moderator or generator. So uh, many resources come up with a network, so that in order to use it, we need the as a good user, we need to utilize it properly. So let's go with the LANs and WANs and the internet. So description of the LAN, the local area network, also the WAN, wide area network, and the other networks, uh, example the WLAN or the wide lower area network, then demand the metropolitan area network. So then this network, then we have the LANs and WANs. Okay, LANs or the local area network. For example of a local area network, I will give an example. For example, a school. School is a example of a local area network because it is connected through uh, cable connection, even wireless, but in the logical form, it is located in just one location, so it is connected using local area network. Then from the wide area network, I have an example for the one of the best example of a one is a company having uh, another branches in other cities or other uh, province. Then it is connected through wide area network using our cables. Then we have what we call internet and intranets and extranets. The intranets and the extranets, it supports two different areas within a business but have similar goals to improve how employees work with clients and each other. Sometimes they exist within the same software, then other times separately other. Also, sometimes they exist within the same software, other times separately. Then one integrated into a business model, these portals can make day-to-day activation more different, more streamlined, before better connected and more productive. And in addition, on what is an intranet is. So an intranet is a private secured network then designed to facilitate collaboration where employees can create content, communicate, get stuff done, and develop the company culture. So in another terms, intranet, it's a design of a facility which the employees can create their own content regards with the company team, or the also develop their own, and also making them their own company culture. So from our per our what is extranet is, so extranet is a private also network designed especially to allow individuals, client, vendors, suppliers, partners, and etc. to communicate with you and your employees in a closed virtual space. So in other part, the extranet supports the outside or the outsiders of the company, such as client, vendors, suppliers, partners, etc. It helps them to communicate with the employees inside, or the employees in the premises of the company they want, or the company they target uh, to promote some kind of uh, inspirational or new developed technology. Then let's go with the internet connection. As I've said a while ago, internet connection in our daily lives is so very important. It is also a part of our life. Then maybe some of the people nowadays can't live if they are separated with the internet connection. Um, Internet connection is very helpful. Uh, it can use in a good aspects, also either in bad, but it is most usable in a good way. So using internet access or the internet connection, you can easily bypass, or not truly bypass, you can easily access the data, or some information that you want to know or you want to ask. Then internet connection is help you to utilize the third party connection, that you can ask what you want, and you can find what you want to know and want to know more. Then let's go with the network as a platform. We have converged networks. And so for our network convergent, our network converged network, or another term is network convergence. Network convergence is efficient coexistence of telephone, video, and data communication within a single network. The use of multiple communication modes on a single network offers convergence and flexibility that are not possible with separate infrastructure. So for example here, the texting, the VoIP, streaming media, video conference application, online gaming is an example of converged network. And for our reliable network, or the reliability of a computer networking. So in a computer networking, a reliable protocol is protocol which notifies the sender whether or not the delivery of data intended recipients successfully. Reliability is a synonym of assurance, so which the term used by the ITU and the ATM forum. So reliable protocols typically incur more overhead than unreliable protocols, and as a result function more slowly and with less scalability. This often is not issue for uncast protocols, but it may become a problem for reliable multicast protocols. Then let's go with the changing network environment. We have here the network trends, network technologies for the home, network security, and the network architecture. So let's go first with the network trends. From the network trends, from the word trends, network nowadays, for example, the new discovered applications and uh, new discovered type of media network and network connection. So it is part of the network trend. So we have the networking technologies for the home. For example, is the worldwide enhancement of the technology. For example, the internet connection for the home of our consumer. Then for the network security, it is important in order to secure the data or the personal data of the not only of the company but also the user or the consumer that relies with it specific company. And for our network architecture, we have the standardization regards to the network architecture. uh, it is used standard form, so the architecture may be enhanced, but it can be used by other type of architecture that can be prohibited because it's standard. So that's all for the chapter 1. Hope you understand and you like my summary, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching.